How to flush DNS cache on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Fix internet connection issues. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just press Windows button like me and type CMD and go here run as administrator. Go yes and you will see this. And just type this like me, ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. And you will see message Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And that's it all guys for this video. How to flush DNS cache on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.